Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and I'm really excited to share a news with you. I've recently published a brand new ebook which is all about MCP. And the best part is it's completely free. You do not have to do any sort of sign up or share your email. I'll just drop a Google Drive link and you can download it from there. So before we jump into the details of what this book is all about and how you should be reading it, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to my channel to support my work. I'll be creating a lot of content around machine learning, AI engineering, and building hands-on agentic systems. So coming back, let me first give you some background on why I wrote this book. So I've been writing about MCP for past 6 months now, and I've shared these tutorials across X, LinkedIn, and I also created a YouTube playlist as well on my channel. So you can, so feel free to check that out as well. And the response has been really overwhelming. So what I decided was, how about, putting all of these tutorials, that start from first principles, and then there are a lot of hands-on guides in form of a single PDF, right? So all my subscribers and everyone who is following my work can easily access them all in one place. So that's how I decided to write this book. So this free ebook covers MCP from ground up. We start with the fundamentals of what MCP is, why exactly MCP was created, and we also relate it to tool calling and compare it to traditional tool calling versus MCP. What are its advantages and all, right? So this basically covers your entire theory. It explains all the components and the important details that one needs to understand before they start building with MCP, and everything has been covered with the great details, giving a lot of real world examples and visualizations to make the understanding easier for the user. And once you're done with all those fundamentals and basics of MCP, we have also created 11 hands-on projects that explains again everything in a lucid manner with visualization and a step-by-step guide on how someone can build it themselves and reproduce this work. And at the end of every project, I have also shared a link to a GitHub repository. Again, the code is also open source, so you can go there and check it out. And if you look at some of the projects that we are covering, it includes building a 100% local MCP client, which basically means how you can connect MCP servers to your local agents, which are running on, locally running LLMs and all. And apart from that, we have a ton of other interesting stuff like building an MCP-powered financial analyst. And again, the theme and the format always remain same. We start with a graphic or a overview of how this application would work, which is followed by a step-by-step guide along with code snippets and all. And finally, we always share the code in the GitHub repository, right? So here are some amazing projects. And this one is again one of my favorite, how to build a unified MCP server that you can connect to 200 plus data sources and all, right? So yeah, feel free to check this out, and this should tell you everything that you need to know as a developer about MCP. So that's a wrap, and you'll find the download link in the description, and I hope you would enjoy it, and feel free to drop a comment on what you liked about this book, and if you have some suggestion on the future concept that I should be covering on my channel, feel free to drop that as well. Thank you so much again, and if you're new here, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Bye-bye, take care.